Did you know that the Muicle plant is a powerful herb with numerous health benefits? Native to Mexico, this plant has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Muicle is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a great natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis and skin issues. It can also help boost the immune system and promote overall well-being. The leaves and stems of the Muicle plant can be brewed into a tea, which is commonly used to treat digestive issues and promote detoxification. It can also be applied topically to soothe skin irritations and promote healing. In addition to its health benefits, Muicle is also used in traditional Mexican cuisine for its unique flavor. It can be added to soups, stews, and sauces to enhance the taste and provide additional nutrients. Whether you're looking to improve your health or add some flavor onto your meals, the Muicle plant is a versatile and beneficial herb to have on hand. Give it a try and experience the magic for yourself.